Hey guys, I hope that you all are doing well. Today I am going to explain you a very important term related to political science, that is constitutionalism. What does constitutionalism mean? Constitutionalism is a political philosophy based on the idea that government authority is derived from the people and should be limited by a constitution that clearly expresses what the government can and what the government cannot do. It is the idea that the state is not free to do anything it wants to do. Rather, state is bound by laws which limit its authority. Constitutionalism has a vibrant history among the English people, and that tradition has been passed on to other nations, most notably to Americans. Take care. Allah Hafiz.